What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're just taking a quick daily look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, looking like still we are just chopping it sideways in this little range that we have come down and formed here. As we've been saying numerous times, yesterday had a little bit of a bounce up off of this key little area here. If you look at the hourly time frame, you can see basically we had a little bit of an area. Bitcoin, it came up here, got rejected at that top of the hot overall range, didn't it? We came back down inside this area. We lost a few key levels of support. We came down here, retested as that previous support around here as resistance here. We came in at a little bit of an extra rollover yesterday, or the day before, I think it was, down to around that 16.3k area. But we did get a bounce in and around these previous key levels here. And looking like, we got a little bit of a renaissance back up into the middle of the range, which is pretty much exactly where we're sitting right now, aren't we? Not much volume or interest in the markets at the minute. Obviously, it is December, so things are very slow. But you can see, as for a daily update, looking like we have bounced up after getting a bit of, you'd say a liquidity grab down here, really, underneath this key level here. We bounced straight back up into this area of structure, looking like we are chopping sideways over the past few days and basically waiting for a big move in either direction, aren't we? And the overall range that we have formed ever since we came down from the FTX crash here, you can see support, resistance, support, support. We come back up, retest, resistance, back to the middle of the range again, and now we are just trading the range until we see ourselves breaking out in either direction. As always, getting a breakout, a retest, and continuation in either direction is what we need to see, really, before we confirm the continuation of either direction as a trend. But you'd say Bitcoin short term looking quite bearish. Obviously, we are continuing in a downtrend here. You can see lower lows and lower highs ever since we made this all-time high for the bull market. But overall, we'd say, mid to long term, we are bullish on Bitcoin. You can very clearly see we are forming some pretty massive bullish divergences at the minute, as you can quite clearly tell from all the way back here, really. But, more locally as well, bullish divergences forming in this area with the price coming down, the RSI coming up. And you can see on the MACD as well, you probably expect in the mid to long term the price to get scooped up and at the very least come up and challenge some of these bear market resistances. So for the daily update, not much going on. Waiting to see what happens next for Bitcoin. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.